see me and my girls, I'm outside. So we going out there. How are we going to we outside?
Back again, you know. Outside with it. Villa Beach. Don't know how to do it.
There we go. So that's my birthday, by the way. You can follow me on Instagram at Daddy. Oh my God, my friend. No. It's my first time at this kind of thing. Wow, this is nice. There we go. Oh my God. Yeah. Mommy, come on for a ride today.
That's all I think. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, feel like yeah.
Thumbs up, go.
Supporters watching the live. Thank you guys for watching the live. Extreme outside. Anytime you need us, just call. Go on live. You can watch the video anytime you need it. Yeah, we outside.
We're going again. We're ready for this now. We're ready to shoot. We're ready? Yeah, we're ready.
We have Villa Beach, Kittles Beach, Mountain, and when you need us, just call us, we'll be there.
So I don't know, I'm frightened because I can't.
Please allow us to enjoy it.